Major Ed Rafton. Directly behind him, Major Darrell F.M. Newhart in A-10 number 2, the first two aircraft from the first element into the sky. Number 3 A-10 now on the roll is Colonel Jim Chicken Man Blaze. And the fourth A-10 taking to the sky right now, Captain Andy Big Hall from the Pennsylvania Air National Guard, based right here at Naval Air Station, Willow Grove, Joint Reserve Base. From the 111th Fighter Wing, the A-10 Squadron.
We're about to be departing in 30 seconds. Chicken Man copies. You can expect bombs from each of us, 4 by himself. Chicken Man.
I'd remind you, ladies and gentlemen, that there are going to be some loud effects associated with this, so please warn your children.
Warthog 2 is up and in hot from the south.
From your left, the Warthog.
Three is up and in, target 6.
Direct push by the first element. Now listen for the second element to make their arrival.
For your
Here comes another one.
Okay, we're on the way. Egress to the north. How's that? Command copies, good hits. I have more vehicles just a little bit to the south of them in the tree line. They need you to come in and take them out. Up and in from the north. Target is sight. Two
Off
clears
the
out.
right. A-10's inbound. They're looking for a fuel and ammo dump out there, ladies and gentlemen. When they find it, you will know. Attention left for the second element as they strike from the opposite direction. Some good secondary action from the bombs right there, ladies and gentlemen, as they go by. That was a secondary that was created. The Thunderbolt 2 is 30mm GA8AU. The Gatling gun can fire 3,900 rounds a minute. It can defeat an array of ground targets to include tanks. Some of their other equipment includes an inertial navigation system. And the A-10s have been cleared to return to base, ladies and gentlemen, as you just heard from the sky. They are inbound right now. The ground targets have been decimated, and the A-10s have once again proved their mission.
Who are committed to doing their part to improve lives through better hearing.
And coming overhead right now, ladies and gentlemen, our A-10 and performing the maneuver towards the all Chinese pilots, the right steer off. Number 1 downwind now, Major Ed Raffink, Major Darrell F.M. Newhart right behind him, followed by Colonel Jim Chicken Man Bladen, and the last one peeling off right now, Captain Andy Finch Vaughan. Given us freedom of the press. It's the veteran and not the poet who has given us freedom of speech, and it's the veteran, not the campus organizer, who has given us the freedom to assemble. It's the veteran, not the lawyer, who has given us the right to a fair trial, and it's the veteran, not the politician, who's given us the right to vote. It's the veteran who salutes the flag. It's the veteran who serves under the flag. And right now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like all veterans in the audience, men and women, or if you are currently serving with the United States Armed Forces, please stand at this moment and raise your right hand. All veterans out there in our audience, and current people serving, and the rest of us, please put your hands together in appreciation for the great job these men and women have done for us in peacetime and in war. We do appreciate you. I don't know whether you caught the piece on the ABC Evening News recently. And ladies and gentlemen, what Les Shockley is about to embark on is Mission Impossible.